Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Queen Calissa from Barbie in a Mermaid Tale in Trust and Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Trust and Impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color. Wait, let me show you the color code. Okay, for the first one, you're going to color it like this, and the second one, you can color it with this color to create this blue color. You can combine these two color guys. Okay, and you will create something like this. And for this hairstyle, you're going to choose the no bangs toggle. Okay guys, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to choose this corset, this one, and then I'm going to color it with the blue color and yellow color. Wait, for the first selection, I'm going to color it with this color. This is for the color code. And for the second selection, I'll make this color, this yellow color. Okay, this is for the color code. And then the third selection, I'm going to color it with this blue color. Okay, and fourth selection, just leave it like that. And the fifth selection, I'm going to make it this color. And then we're going to change all the material to glitter. Okay, just make them all glitter like this. And sorry guys, because sometimes my glitter is not working. But if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area. And then I'm going to select this bracelet and this one. Sorry, this earring, I mean. Okay, and I'm going to choose this necklace. All right, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to the changing room here, and I'm going to open up the mermaid set. So I'm going to go to the codes item, and I'm going to choose the mermaid set. Okay, this one, choose the mermaid tail, and then you're going to color it with the same blue color. Okay, for the first selection, and for the next selection, I'm just going to make it this yellow, and for the third selection, make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to select this crown, and I'm going to change the toggle, select toggle 2, and I'm going to color it like this. And then for the second selection, I'm going to choose wait, let me choose this color. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the skirt. Wait, this one guys, and we're going to change skirt only, change the toggle to skirt only, and color it with the same color, the same blue color, and then you're going to make it glitter as well. Okay, just make them all glitter. Okay, it's done guys, and if you have VIP, you can go to the VIP room, and we're going to choose the jellyfish skirt. It's right here. You can choose the skirt, and you're going to color it with the same blue color, this one, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot one more item. You can go back to the changing room and you're going to select this jacket, and you can choose the top only toggle, and then we're going to color it with the same blue color. Okay, like this, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, now it's done, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Queen Calissa from Barbie in a Mermaid Tale. And rest and press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!